In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom thank you page on Shopify. Having a personalized thank you page is a fantastic way to enhance the customer experience and leave a lasting impression after a sale. It's a simple yet effective touch that can make your store stand out. Now, let's dive into the steps to customize your thank you page on Shopify. First, you want to navigate to your Shopify admin page. This is essentially the control center of your online store, where you'll manage everything from products to design. Once you're on your Shopify admin page, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. Look for the section labeled Online Store and click on it. This section is your gateway to various aspects of your website's design and functionality. Next, within the Online Store menu, you'll find an option called Pages. Click on it. Pages in Shopify are standalone pages that can be customized for different uses on your site, and your thank you page will be one of these. Once you're in the Pages section, you'll want to look for the button that says Add Page. Once located, go ahead and click on that. This button is your starting point for creating a brand new page that will hold your custom thank you message. Now that you've clicked Add Page, you'll find yourself on a new page creation screen. Here, you'll want to start by typing in a title for your page. This is an internal title, so something like Custom Thank You will work perfectly. The title will help you easily identify the page within your admin settings later on. After you've set the title, the next step is to enter the content and structure of your thank you page. Think about what message you want to convey to your customers. It's a great idea to include a thank you note, an invitation to keep shopping, or perhaps a discount code for their next purchase. Whatever you choose, ensure that it aligns with your brand's voice and engages your customers meaningfully. Once you've finalized the content, double-check everything to make sure there are no typos or errors. A clean and polished look is always preferable. When everything looks good, you're ready for the final step, saving your work. Simply click on the Save button, and just like that, your new thank you page is created and ready to go. And there you have it. You've successfully created a custom thank you page on Shopify. It's a simple process, but one that can significantly enhance your customer satisfaction and overall brand image. Don't forget to test it out and make sure it looks great on both desktop and mobile devices. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on optimizing your Shopify store.